Most 33-foot center consoles top out around 700 horsepower. The Grady-White Canyon 336 starts there and keeps going, 1,050 maximum horsepower. This is Grady-White's Offshore Command Center, built in Greenville, North Carolina, Canyon Series center console. Grady-White's exclusive SeaV² hull, 20-degree transom dead rise with a 50+ degree entry at the foredeck, engineered to slice offshore chop, not absorb it. Twin Yamaha XTO. Offshore 450 outboards, 900 horsepower total, top end 53.9 miles per hour at 6,000 RPM. Optimum cruise at 29 miles per hour, 3,500 RPM, burning 22.6 gallons per hour, 361-gallon fuel capacity, approximately 350 nautical miles of range, 33 feet 6 inches overall, 11 feet 7 inches of beam, 26-inch hull draft, self-bailing cockpit, 9'4" bridge clearance, unladen weight 10,100 pounds without engines, transom dead rise 20 degrees throughout, 699 quarts of total insulated fish box capacity, 291 aft, 204 port, 204 starboard, 45-gallon live well at the rigging station, 3 Command Elite Helm seats with flip-up bolsters and footrests on a deluxe lean bar, T-top with integrated full-height windshield, bow thruster standard, Helm Master EX joystick docking, cockpit side door with boarding ladder, 80+ standard features. The lockable console delivers a full stand-up head area, vacuum flush head, pull-out shower, forward berth, vertical rod storage, and storage drawers. This is a tournament-grade 33-footer with the comfort systems of a larger boat. Bottom line, if you run hard offshore and refuse to choose between fishability and comfort, the Canyon 336 answers that question in fiberglass. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.